no. Guess what, Coco? We are doing a replay of our workshop, an encore, because it went so well.
Wait, it did?
Yes.
Why wasn't I invited?
Well, I think we're inviting you this time.
Goody, goody, goody.
So Coco the Puppet's going to be at our next webinar. And why is Coco important to Learn to Read with Music? Coco came in to the Learn to Read with Music system when things got a little more complicated with the phonics concepts and those phonics rules that are tricky. And he came in to help explain it, didn't you?
I did.
And he's kind of funny.
I am.
And I really enjoy having Coco as a part of the Learn to Read with Music community.
Oh, that's so nice of you.
Oh. All right, Coco. So we're really here to make an invitation. Again, we're going to do this again. It's called Your Child's Second Chance at Reading Success Starts with Music. No more crying, no more tears, just dancing, movement, and having fun, and having your child memorize, not have to memorize through rote memory, but through music and song. So October 22nd, 6 p.m., you must register, show up. We are so excited.
Bye.
Bye. See you then.